Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be putting together a card with this beautiful Sunshine and Rainbow set and the Rainbow Builder framelits that you can purchase together as a bundle and get 10% off. So it's a great deal. It's in the Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog, and I've had a lot of fun playing with it. For today's card, I'm starting with a piece of thick Whisper White cardstock, cut it 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to give it a good crease with my bone folder. Next, I have a piece of the Myths and Magic Designer Series paper, and it has these really cute cloud print in the collection. So I'm going to use that as my background. And let me just take a little bit of Fast Fuse, and I'm going to apply that to the Whisper White card base. Okay, I'm just going to center it here and have a tiny border going all the way around. Now I've already pre-cut my framelits that I need, and so we're going to build a rainbow. I'll just pour those out on my desk. All right. Now let's take, and I'm going to start with the top, and I'm going to go about midway up, and I'm going to get some liquid glue. And just put a tiny little stream of glue there. Just put it right there, and then we can build down from there. So that's Real Red. Then I'm going to take Pumpkin Pie. Just like that. And I just butt it up against the previous little arch there. And then I have Daffodil Delight for the yellow. This. And you can stamp these as well with the stamps that are in the photopolymer set, but I love building it by just cutting these different color arches. It just makes such a vivid rainbow. And I try to keep it pretty true to color. That's Old Olive for my green. And then for the blue, I have Tempting Turquoise. Oops. This is in the Brights collection, and again, I'm trying not to get too much glue, but I can just dab it up if I get a little bit too much there. Okay, I think that's a cloud, and I thought it was glue. All right, for the indigo, I have Island Indigo. And we'll just put that one here. And then I tend to switch back and forth on the violet. This one is Perfect Plum, but sometimes I will use Elegant Eggplant. Just depends on what I grab at the moment. Okay, so there's our really pretty rainbow. Okay, so now I have in that framelit set, there's this little edgelet that cuts like billowing clouds. So I stamped the sentiment, "May your birthday be bright and beautiful." And I am going to just go across the front there. And I think I need to do a little bit of trimming. Let's see how that works. I'm trying to go across from edge to edge of the designer paper. So let me trim it a little bit more. And I think that's going to work. Okay, I want to be sure I get my little violet showing, so that'll be good. And I need a little trim here. And I think I'm going to call that good for that. But before I adhere it, I have some of this Pool Party shimmer ribbon. So I'm just going to tie that around the bottom. And it will just barely be bordering. I cut about 18 to 20 inches of this. And I wanted to have plenty to put on the bottom of this cloud, this edgelet. So there we go. I think I need to do it a little tighter, like that. Okay, so now all I need to do is take some glue and get it to cooperate. On that ribbon there, and then I'm going to place it here, just like from your memory. It's these. See, okay, it's like these coordinating framelets and the Sunshine and Rainbows. There are extra framelets, like many of our collections, where that you can just cut and use on your projects, and it'll coordinate with the stamp set. So I use this set and the Magical Mates with the little wizard and the mermaid. I use them interchangeably so much I forget which framelets go to which set because they are perfect companions. And here I've cut the sun out. So I'll have, if you visit my blog, I will have the link to the product details so that you'll know exactly what I used on this card. So that's at inkandinspirations.com. So I stamped the sun onto Daffodil Delight in Daffodil Delight ink, and now I'm painting over it with the clear Wink of Stella to make it sparkle. Okay, so now all I have left to do is I'm going to use some of these iridescent sequins and scatter some around, and I just pull that off. Okay, I'm good to go. Okay, let me just go one here and here and here, and let's put one down here at the bottom and here, and let's see if I can pick these up maybe with my paper piercer. Okay, a little bit of sticky on there. Pick up. And these are pretty sequins that just add just the right amount of sparkle. And I tend to be picking up mostly the iridescent blue or sky blue. Okay. Let me try another one here. And one more. Okay, we've got it done. All right, so there's a great little birthday card that you can give to someone using the Sunshine and Rainbows and Rainbow Builder framelit dies that are in the Occasions catalog. If you have any questions, let me know. Be sure and visit my website at inkandinspirations.com so you can see the products there that I used on this card. And if you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.